Hello, and welcome back to another video. This is the first video ride back on the Sherman since my accident. It's been exactly 3 weeks, could be 4 weeks, might be 4 weeks. 4 weeks to the day since the accident. I have since ordered parts and rebuilt my Sherman. I've since healed mostly. I'm almost completely healed. It took about 4 weeks. Luckily the injuries weren't that bad. If you're just tuning in, welcome. This is a channel where you get to enjoy cool rides and see the city and learn about electric unicycles, mostly the Sherman. So I'm on my way to Central Park, and you should come and join me. This is one of the first videos I've done where I'm actually mic'd up, so you should be able to hear me okay. That should be a little bit new, because usually it's just like me talking, but all you can hear is wind, and sometimes you can make out what I'm saying, but mostly you can't. Okay, so also I am going to Central Park for the first time on the Sherman since the accident. I rebuilt the Sherman, so this is kind of a test ride too, to see if the Sherman's working properly. And we're just going to go straight to the park and take it easy and see how everything is working. That's a new rim, new tire, new inner tube, new roll cage, new accessories, new pedals, a whole bunch of new stuff on the Sherman. Luckily the batteries were in good shape, or at least they appear to be. And the motherboard was luckily okay, and the motor was luckily okay. There are some strange noises coming out of the Sherman when I just roll it around by hand on the trolley, but there's always been weird noises when you've done that with the Sherman. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's kind of normal, but I can't really be 100% sure just yet. So when I'm riding though, the noises seem to go away. So if you know something about the noises, please leave a comment below. Take a look at the Sherman. So what did you guys think? How does it look? You like the new accessories? You like the new pedals? I just love how the Sherman looks now. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to take this bad boy out for some rides. The only thing I'm worried about is speeding, so I'm fully geared. I am fully geared now. I will not be riding without gear on anymore after I fell at 45 miles an hour with no gear on and got hurt, and got very lucky not to get hurt that bad. I've decided to play it safe from now on. That accident could have easily been much worse, and it wasn't, so I feel like I kind of got off lucky, and I don't want to take the risk again. So I'm going to change up my habits just a bit, and hopefully it's for the best. So here comes another video. Stay tuned. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.